Welcome to all of you, my dear students and viewers. Here I am Bikash Sarkar, lecturer in English. Today I am going to attend a class. I am going to conduct a class on a grammatical term. The term is though oblique although. The application of this term though oblique although is to be presented here in two different steps. Step number 1, here is the step number 1. Though he is weak, he can work hard. The noticeable fact is that at the very beginning I am using though. Then this is a sentence of cause or condition. Now this is a sentence of result or effect. Okay, let's see the structural pattern, how I am arranging these sentences. Here is the rule, the structural pattern, though or although. Anyone we can apply, though or although. Though and although, actually they are synonymous word. I can apply here either though or although. So though plus cause or condition. Cause or condition, and whenever the cause would be positive, the result would be negative. This is known as the result. So again, structural pattern. I am telling you again the structural pattern. Though plus cause or condition plus result or effect. Notable fact is that when the cause or condition would be positive, the result would be negative. So another example, though Lopa reads well, she does not pass in the exam. Here is a cause, positive cause, and here is a negative result. So whenever the cause would be positive, the result would be negative. Notable fact is that the cause or condition would be positive, result would be negative. And before the sentence of cause or condition, we will apply though or although. That means though or although will come before the sentence of cause and condition. Now, after the comma, we will apply the sentence of result or effect. So, let's have another example. Though the boy works carefully, comma, he does not get proper salary though. Here is the though of this formula. Now the boy works carefully, positive cause. Now in the second sentence, negative result. The second sentence, he does not get proper salary, or he does not get salary properly. Here we can apply salary or wage. This salary, instead of salary, we can use the word wage. So, though although plus sentence of cause and condition. Now the result, when the cause and condition would be positive, the result would be negative. So in this step 1, we are getting the picture that when the cause would be positive, the result would be negative. And before this sentence of cause and condition, we will apply though or although. Another thing, the sentence of result will come at the very beginning, then though although, now the sentence of cause. Lopa passed. Lopa passed in the exam, though she did not study attentively. Here we will notice the fact that Lopa passed in the exam. This is the result. Now though, here the next sentence is the cause. This is the cause. This is the cause. And before this sentence of cause we are using though, although. Now the result. This one would be the step number 2. In step number 2, we will notice the fact that the sentence related with cause or condition, before that sentence we will use though or although. And this sentence is negative in sense, so the result is positive in sense. So now rule of though although in a different way. Here though although plus negative cause and positive result. So in the step number 2, we will notice that though although plus cause and condition and result, but when the cause would be negative, the result would be positive. Here in this example, we are getting the picture. The cause or condition is in negative sense, and before this sentence we are using though, and here is the result. Here in this sentence, we will notice that result is coming at the very beginning. Then though although, now sentence of cause and condition. Here I am giving you another example. Though Lopa did not walk fast, she got the train in time. Though although plus cause and effect, but here the cause is negative, result is positive. So we will notice the fact that whenever the cause would be positive, the result would be negative. On the contrary, whenever the cause would be negative, the result would be positive. In this way, we will frame sentences. Another notable fact is that certainly though or although will come before the sentence of cause or condition, we will apply though or although, and the result or the sentence of the result may come at the very beginning or even at the very ending of the sentence. So now let's see how the question is to be set up in the exam. How the question is to be set up in the final exam. I am giving you 2 questions pattern. How the question is to be set up in the exam. Though he was sick, he ... In this way, question may be set up. Though he was sick, he ... Another way. Though I ... I got A plus. Here, though, then the cause. Now result is to be completed. This gap is to be fulfilled by the student providing result or effect of this cause. Here in the second sentence, we will notice that before, at the very beginning, though, so here we will apply cause or condition. Here we have to apply cause and condition, and result is given here. Here the result is given, the students or we have to apply cause or condition. When the cause or condition would be positive, result would be negative. On the contrary, When the cause or condition would be negative, the result would be positive. In this way, we have to complete the sentences which one are to be left incompleted, or we have to fill up gaps what are to be found in the final exam. So dear viewers and learners, if we successfully practice how to frame sentences by using though and although, by using this grammatical term though or although, if we practice framing or making sentences in this way, certainly you must be successful with your view of completing sentence, gap filling, or any categories of interview or viva where question are to be asked or question are to be written down using though and although. Certainly you will be successful, and this successful practice of grammar using though and although will surely develop your reading and writing skill. And despite that, if you have any problem, I am asking you to write down comment in the comment box. Surely I will reply. No more today. Wishing you all the best.